A daily mood log is a tool to help track moods, emotions, and behaviors over a certain period. It can be used as part of an overall treatment program or to gain greater awareness about a person's well-being. Mental health practitioners typically use daily mood logs to assess how an individual feels at specific moments throughout the day. This includes noting which activities took place during the day and how the individual felt in response to those activities. The log also provides an overall assessment of the mood for the entire day. Using this log can help individuals gain greater insight into their emotions, giving them more control over their reactions to situations. Additionally, therapists can use the information from a daily mood log to help make informed treatment decisions. By keeping track of one's emotional well-being over time, individuals can better understand what is causing stress and learn how to address it. To use our free daily mood log, follow these steps. Download our daily mood log from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain to your client that the daily mood log is designed to help them gain insight into their emotions and behaviors. Show them how to track their daily moods, activities, and notes for observations. Give your client at least 1 week to fill out the mood log. Have them note their activities and emotions throughout the day, then provide an overall assessment of the day's mood at the end. They may also write any additional notes or observations they feel are important to track. When your client has completed their daily log entries for a week, review the worksheet with them and discuss any patterns or trends they have noticed. This will provide insight into their emotional state and help you decide on the best course of action. Here is a sample of our daily mood log, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our daily mood log, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.